Now we can step.
That as cricketers, you hold a position of influence and admiration, and with that comes the responsibility to set an example for the young generation. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme, batting away substance abuse, signifies our collective effort to tackle the pervasive issue of drug abuse and head-on in sports at large and cricket in particular. Just as you use your skills and determination to bat away every ball that comes your way, we must collectively work to bat away the lure of drugs and substance abuse from our communities. As cricketers, you have a unique platform to inspire and educate the masses. Your dedication, teamwork, and perseverance on the sports field are qualities and many look up to and aspire to emulate. It is therefore crucial that you recognize the influence you have and use it to advocate for a drug-free society. Drug abuse not only affects the individual, but also has a profound impact on families, communities, and the nation at large.
I am Ian from the Premier Cricket Academy Director. I'm very happy that our day went out well. For this is our corporate social responsibility, which I am very much happy with the community supporting us in fighting and preventing against substance abuse here in Manicaland. It is one of our subjects which we teach our young cricketers in Premier Cricket Academy. So we are happy if we're having such support that we had today.
My name is Taraba Fazwa Madiro. Yeah, I'm from Premier Cricket Academy. Today we had the anti-drug abuse march. When the minister came, it was such a perfect event.